to learn some double stick twirling. In the Filipino martial arts, this is called sinawali, or weaving with the sticks. However, you'll find these moves in historical European martial arts as well. It's a universal way of moving with both weapons, dual wielding. So I start from a closed guard position, and I do a figure eight with my right stick. That's all that it is. And then I do a figure eight with my left stick. And the two move in unison. So the right goes, and then right as it starts to rechamber, the left fires off. And then I return to my original position. And that's 4 moves, which is why this is called a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you actually look at what these strikes are, this is a number 1, and this is a number 2 strike with my left hand, followed by a number 2 with my right hand, and a number 1 with my left, back to that original position. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the beginning. Now let's take a look on the target board here, and you'll see that I trace that line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can perform this 3 different ways. 1, big motions, moving from the shoulders. I can also shorten it. So that now my upper arms are against my body, my elbows are tight, and this is a medium range. And then I can move just from the wrists, right here. Notice from the side, it makes nice, smooth circles. Sometimes those handles touch a little, no big deal. And from the front, it's making that X. All right, so this is your closed grip 4 count twirl. Can also perform it to my bob. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. But the best part of doing these drills is when you have a partner. So here's my partner, Tan. We stand across from each other, not in an open guard, but in a closed guard position. And we strike right, left, right, left. Trying to touch the tips of the sticks. Now, if you're not quite ready for that drill, because it takes a lot of timing, we could start like this. I'm going to stand in a horse stance. I'm going to put my arms out in front, and Tan is going to touch my sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can hear his beat. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead, try again. He wants to try to smooth that out so that there's no pause in between. Excellent job, Tan. All right. And if you'll hold yours up, and I just go tap, 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 tap. Very light, soft with the sticks. I'm not out to destroy my opponent's sticks. A little closer. Now this is with some heavy sticks too. If we switch out here, and Tan hands me his lighter Kali sticks, you can really start to rip. You can even start breaking your rhythm. And then get back to the double. One hand figure eight, other hand figure eight, double figure eight, broken figure eight. Thank you, Tan. All right, practice your double stick 4 count. So you're really good at your 4 count. Well, if you're good at the full strike 4 count, then it's time to start working on the snap strike 4 count. So you're snapping it out, pulling it back, snapping it out, pulling it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snap, 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 snap. If I go to this target board, it looks like this. Snap, come to the other side, snap, come to the other side. Now they're both here, and I don't want that. I want one to always be at the target. So when this one's out, and as it's coming back, this one's going out. Pow, 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 bomb, 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 bam. All right, so you can work your snap strike 4 count, and you can work a double strike 4 count, where I go 1, 2 on my first cut, 3, 4 on my second cut, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm turning 4 strikes into 8 strikes using my double strikes. Other than that, it's still a 4 count. It's still just a figure 8 with one hand, added with the figure 8 of the other hand. So this one goes, this one follows. Boom, boom. Practice and soon you'll have full strike 4 count, snap strike 4 count, and double strike 4 count. Before we leave the 4 count twirl, we should take a look at some applications, because a twirl looks great, but without the applications, it's not very useful. Now, if I'm fighting my opponent and Tan is holding a strong guard in front of him with both of his sticks, I can use my first strike to knock that guard down. And now, in order for him to strike me with that number 1, he has to cross his body. It's pretty difficult. And I have my number 1 strike coming right in. So I do the bottom hand first and then the top hand right here. And I can go right in and continue with the twirl. Boom, 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 boom. Now, let's say that Tan is striking with his number 1 strike. Well, I could intercept it with my number 1 and then strike his hand with that number 2 on my left and then come back and hit it with the 3, 4. So we're fighting here and now 1, 2, 3, 4. So that even if this backhand is coming back towards me, I have my weapons in here filling this space and blocking that back stick from hitting me. So these are some basic applications, but you want to keep them in mind so that your twirls aren't just twirls and basic patty cake drills. You need to be able to use them in fighting.
Your homework for lesson 2.6 is to practice the 4 count twirl, solo to the air or heavy bag, and with a partner, first holding the stick still and then simultaneously twirling together. As you train, remember, the 4 count is simply the figure 8s with left and right hand. Strive to make smooth circles on either side of your body and pivot on the balls of your feet to get your hips into your strikes.